very best way to fasten to a wall is to drive the screw directly into a wall stud. But when you can't, you have to use a hollow wall fastener, and most people use a toggle bolt. They've been around for over 100 years and they work pretty well. You drill a hole, pop them in, and pull forward and tighten up the bolt. The problem is, you can see for a 1/4 inch bolt, we had to drill a 5/8 inch hole, and that creates a lot of slop in the fastener itself. The other problem is, when you remove the bolt, the toggle falls off inside the wall and it's lost. There's a better version of a toggle. It's called a strap toggle. And it's essentially the same thing. It's a metal toggle, but it's attached to plastic straps. So you push it through, and you can see we could use a smaller hole. This is only 5/8 inch, from 5/8 inch to 1/2 inch hole here. It's a smaller hole. And you push the retaining collar forward till it's tight in the hole, then you snap off the straps. That's why it's called a snap toggle. And the bolt fits through. It's a nice tight fit, and the bolt fits through into the toggle. And the other really nice thing is you can remove the bolt and the toggle stays in place.